Welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. We're here with my Ram. Got these tires here. They came off a Rebel. I have a blacked out Ram 1500 2019 and I didn't like the 22s on it, so I bought these off the internet from a guy who had about 3,000 miles on them. These are the ones that come on the Rebel. Standard Goodyear Wranglers. I had massive amount of front end problems where they replaced my rack and pinion twice. I had 16 different alignments. They finally fixed it, but the tires were jacked. So I took them off. I ran the 22s for a couple years and I had to put these back on, and they are incredibly noisy. So I've been looking for these NITTO Dura Grappler 275/65/18s. I wanted the 275/70s, but I couldn't get them, so I got these ones. These are almost a ½ inch of thread on these. I think it's 16.9 30-seconds, so it's a ton of tread. Should last a long time. And changing the tires is not how I lost my thumb. These are the original tires that came on that pickup. They're 22s. I didn't even check at cost because I just didn't like how low it rode. So I went on the internet and I purchased some one-offs off of a 2020 Dodge Rebel. I ran these tires for a couple years. These are the ones off the Rebel. 275/70/18s. A little bouncy. I had a lot of alignment problems with this vehicle. They changed the rack and pinion out twice. They've done around 16 alignments. And I had these off for a while because they were noisy. Well, the 22s are now wore out, so I put these back on just to try and get me through another couple years, but they're so loud when you're driving you can't hear the radio. So if you look, you can actually see where they're cupped. You can see it's probably, I don't know, maybe 1/16 of an inch or a little bit bigger difference from this height, the height of this one to the height of this one. And that's where all the road noise comes from. Road noise. So like I said, I purchased these NITTOs back here, and we're going to go up to the tire shop and have them put on. I was looking for these Dura Grapplers for a while. Called a couple places, they couldn't get them, so I bought them off Amazon. So let's get to the tire shop and get these put on. So we're in the pickup. Let's see if you can hear this noise I'm getting. 52 miles an hour, it's really bad. Hope you can hear that. That's what we're going to get rid of. Hear that road noise? We're at the tire shop getting the tires put on. They look good. Alright, so I got the new shoes on. Try and get down around 53 where it was really loud. I think you can probably tell the difference. I know I can hear the difference. So here's what the tires look like on the pickup. They're not very aggressive. These are highway tires. But see the thickness of the tread? That's what I really like about these. I had these on my Ford, And I was real happy with the way they rode and the sound. So you heard earlier in the video that the sound that I have from the old tires to new is drastically different. So we'll be taking a trip to Arizona here soon from Texas. So I can give you some miles per gallon stuff and information on ride. So like and subscribe if you like what you see here. So go ahead and comment in the comments section if you have these tires or what other tires you like. Have them out.